Hello, 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 and happy midday, everyone. I am Allecia Goins from Wilmington, North Carolina, one half of Jerry and Allie. Welcome to our channel. Don't, forget to subscribe. We're going to start doing this each and every Friday during your midday hour. And, I'm just super excited to be here. So let's go ahead and get into it. So listen, me and Jerry are personal and credit business specialists with Novae. That is basically a financial success company, okay? And we just feel it is very important that during this time that we're in, we get this information out to you guys. So I'm not going to hold you here long because this is the midday. I know you got stuff to do. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Today we're going to talk about Novae in 10 minutes, okay? So let's just talk about our economy and what's going on, right? So we have a major problem right now, y'all. Millions of people are struggling financially. Now, what do I mean? 2.5 million people are seeking debt counseling every year to avoid bankruptcy. 43 million people have less than a 600 credit score, right? You can't get anything with less than a 600 credit score, basically. More than 25% of Americans have no savings and 49% have no retirement. I'm a millennial, and listen, this is a fact, right? We're not going to be able to survive off the Social Security just like, maybe some of our past generations have been able to do, right? 2020 has seen a record number of unemployment claims, not even to mention what's going on with COVID, and also 50% of businesses fail in the first 5 years due to the lack of capital. And we know that a lot of businesses have took a hit of what has gone on these past 3 or 4 months, right? So let's talk about a solution. I'm here to give you a little bit of hope, okay? Jerry's going to be here next week, and he's going to give you some hope as well. So let's talk about, our number one recommendation, our number one solution, and it's Novae Money, okay? It's going to help you restore and build your credit, eliminate your debt quickly, and track your progress. You're probably like, what does credit have to do with this? It has to do with everything, credit is what I call queen, right? Cash is good, but credit is queen. So let's talk about these 3 different ways that we can help you. The first one is Novae Money Basic. Now with this package, you're going to get an online budgeting tool, debt elimination software, and a financial wealth guide. I'm sitting at my kitchen table right now, or my dining room table right now, and one thing that has happened in the past is, finances weren't something that was talked about at the dinner table, or it wasn't talked about, period. It was one of those touchy topics. We need to get to the point where we're talking about this with our significant others, we're having these conversations, and we're also teaching our children so that we can have generational wealth and break some of these generational curses. On top of that, you have complimentary credit education and restoration and access to credit attorneys, okay? So all of this, when I talk about the complimentary credit education, we're going to help you get your credit where it needs to be, okay? And we're going to educate you on the way to do that and get you restored. So let's talk about Novae Money Basic. This is another solution. Now this is for those that, want to be homeowners, need some refinancing done, may have a lot of things on their credit report, or want to be homeowners. You're going to get everything that was in that Novae Money Basic package, but you're also going to get a personal account manager. Sometimes you need to talk to someone about what's going on. You're going to get 3 monthly bureau and 3 score reports. Now, this is what's different from the previous package. With the premium package, you're going to get a month-to-month update of your score. But with basic, you're not going to get that month-to-month. You're going to have what's called a static score. So your score, we won't see the changes in your score, on the screen until probably about a year after your year cycle is over. So you want to make sure if you do basic that you have something run in the background where you can monitor. You're going to get text and email alerts, the daily credit monitoring. You're going to get credit score tracker, a builder planner, and a master simulator. I've only got about 10 minutes to get this information to you, but listen, I love the master simulator, so make sure to reach out to me and I can explain that, okay? Just shoot us a message, drop in the comments, and we'll get back to you. Also, identity theft protection. You're going to be able to protect your new score. We're, living in a time right now where identity theft is huge, right? It's just everyone is getting hit. We're going to make sure that you're protected. You're also going to get $1 million in fraud insurance. You're also going to get access to credit and debt attorneys. And then also, sometimes you have a situation where it's not really a credit dispute, but you need something sent out. You're going to get up to 3 of those monthly, okay? And then we also have individuals that, hey, you're like, hey, I want to do this myself. That's great, but we're going to give you a toolkit so we can make sure that you can be successful. You're going to get a zip file, full of templates and tips and all types of different things, how to structure your letters, things of that nature. You're going to get that one as well with our DIY package. So you're probably like, well, that's cool and all, but does this work? It absolutely works. So let's talk about some testimonials here. We have Kay Alexis. She is out of Chicago, Illinois. And listen, she's had a judgment removed, a bankrupt removed. She even helped her grandmother when she's seen her results. Now her grandmother has this cute house in Georgia. We have Nicole Embry out of the Kentucky area, right? She came in and she had a time frame. She was like, look, I need to get in a house. In a short 3 months, she went from 565 to 717, right? She is now a homeowner. And then we have Mr. 800 out here in the Midwest. He was at 805 at the time, but as of now, the last update, he's at an 849. He almost has a perfect credit score, y'all. So again, if you want to see more of these reviews so you can see what I'm talking about or just get some more information or see what's going on with other people, make sure you go to www.novaemoneyworks.com and you will be able to see some of these other reviews and what's happening for other people. So moving forward, let's talk about another solution. Keep all those problems in the back of your head, right? Let's talk about another solution. We said that 49% of businesses had to close their doors. So how do we fix that? We fix that with business credit building. A lot of people may not know what that is, but listen, this is how we fix it. 46% of all businesses, they're using their personal credit scores, and that's going to hinder the business owner's chance of success, right? You don't want to be mixing those two together. Now, what Novae does, it helps you build a business profile, a business credit profile that's going to separate the two, right? And you can do that in about 7 easy steps. So this is where we have our business credit finance suite. It has 3 components. Personal credit restoration, what we just talked about, what we just covered, that's going to be included, right? Business credit building, where we're going to give you those easy steps to start building your profile. And also by the end of this program, you're going to have a $50K funding guarantee. Okay, that's just with the services we offer, not including, that doesn't include what you're going to open up the doors for your current industry. Okay, now again, we're not going to talk about pricing on here. You'll have to get with that and we can kind of talk to you about that. But we do have payment options, but this is very, very, very important. It's going to set you apart from your competition. Let's talk about innovative solution number 3, Novae Money personal loans and business funding, right? You know, now's the time where, you know, times got hard, but if you start working on your credit and you start working on your business credit, then guess what? We can help you with personal loans and business funding. You know, we have credit card offers. It's going to help you, you know, build your credit, term loans, debt consolidation loans, student loans, you know, we help with automotive financing, home improvement loans, medical expense loans. We can help with all that. When we talk about business funding, we can help you get funded if you need a small business loan, especially if you're in startup and maybe your credit score is an A1. We have something that can help you. We have startup unsecured lines of credit, you know, business cash advances, SBA and traditional term loan help, traditional lines of credit when it comes to your business, invoice factoring. You know, truck drivers love invoice factoring. So if you're a truck driver and you're watching, get with us. And also, who likes to do fix and flips? We help with that as well. And that's commercial and residential real estate, okay? And you know, once this application is started, you can start to get a decision within 1 to 3 days. And you know, approving credit scores can be as low as 550. So that's just that. And we even have low to 0% interest rates on some of these things, okay? So that's solution number 3. Where does this help? You know, it keeps you from foreclosure. It keeps you from that car being repossessed, and it keeps you from closing your doors as a business owner, right? And sitting your dream down. So this is how that's going to help you. Let's talk about some more innovative solutions, okay? I got to make this quick because listen, I can talk about TaxBot and this Entrepreneur Success Kit all day. I love it because every day is literally a write-off when you are a business owner, whether you are a traditional small business or a home-based business owner. Every day just about is a write-off. My internet being used right now is 100% of a write-off right now to even talk to you about this, right? So you don't need a bookkeeper or CPA, but let me just tell you, if you have this and you're a business owner, you're not tracking stuff, you are leaving stuff on the table, but let me just tell you, your CPA is going to love you if you have this. So you're going to be able to keep your business compliant. It's going to keep you, you know, audit safe whenever it comes around to be tax time for you to start filling out your taxes. It's going to have an automated mileage tracker and an automated expense tracker. You can link it to your bank account. This mileage tracker is important because so many times we rip and run for our business and we are leaving money on the table. Those things, when you're running to do things for your business, it is a write-off. So let me move forward. Like I said, I can stay here for a very long time. The next one is the Entrepreneur Success Kit. Every entrepreneur in the world needs this, especially right now when we have all these things in the news. We have all these things happening around us. You need something positive to help you, to give you some strength, to give you some, empowerment to keep running your business. So you're going to get, the Novae Money Financial Wellness Program that I talked about, where we're talking about, hey, you need to bring that back to the kitchen table, right? You need to bring that back to the dining room table. Start having these conversations with your children. So what are we talking about here? We're talking about legacy. That book is all about legacy. So if you're a business owner, if you're going to pass this down to the family, you need to have this so you can start having those conversations. Tax bot expense and mileage tracker, we just went over that. You're also going to get book summaries and audio. Sometimes you need to turn off the television. As entrepreneurs, we know that we need that detox time. Well, why not detox and while you're driving or while you're in the waiting room or anything, out taking a walk? Why not listen to some business book summaries that, anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes, sometimes less than that. Listen to those things and turn off the TV, right? Business video talks and podcasts, business articles, and you're also going to get bi-weekly inspirational MP3 sent to you from the leaders in our company, okay? Moving on. Let's talk about another stream of income. Right now, if you have not found a way to make more money with everything that's going on, you need to be doing that. So listen, we specialize in affiliate marketing too. Now, this is like a new era of entrepreneurship. And like I said, the times that we're living in right now have taught a lot of people that, right? So you're going to be able to make money from home just by referring people to your website. So if you thought that you could use any of those things that we just talked about, then you can become an affiliate, right? If, maybe you don't need it, but I know somebody needs, I know a renter, I know a business owner, someone that needs this information, you can become an affiliate. So we're just like companies like Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy. And we also, we're going to pay out commissions, right? Instead of earning a few cents to a dollar, you're going to get, you're going to get hundreds of dollars per sale. Sorry, y'all. You're going to get hundreds of dollars per sale, okay? So how does this work? So with this affiliate program, I don't know if you've ever watched a movie and you've, referred somebody to it, and guess what? They go watch the movie and they're just like, hey, I really love that movie. Or maybe they're even like, hey, that movie sucked, right? But either way, you referred somebody to something and they went and got it. But guess what? You didn't get paid for that, right? With this, you can. So if renters, listen, this is going to help them. They want to become homeowners, right? So look, you got a relative, you got a coworker, someone from your church, or someone that you just met random, and hey, you've referred them to your program, and listen, you can make $85 per customer that signs up for your program. This is where you just kind of start making money, or residual income on the side, right? So let's look at the earning potential. 1 customer per week is up to $340. If you want to get really ambitious, 5 customers per week is, $1,700. If you want to get relentless with this thing, get purposeful about this thing, 25 customers per week could be an extra $8,500, right, per month. This is based off a 4-week scenario, but these are just some examples. So let's talk about business credit. How many people do you know that want to be homeowner? They want to start maybe a salon, or they're a truck driver. They want their own truck, or they just have this big dream. Maybe they want to start a food truck, or maybe, this whole pandemic they figured out a new skill and they want to take this thing to the next level. But that you don't want them to be one of those businesses whose doors close, right? You want them to be able to build capital and do this thing the right thing. And you refer them to business credit. You're an affiliate and you refer them. You're going to make $500 for everyone whose dream you help get started, okay? I don't like to call them customers because, look, I am a traditional business owner as well, and I went through this program. So, the fact that my dream has started, it feels a little bit different to me. So, you're going to help somebody get their dream off the ground, and you're also going to get compensated for that. Talk about earning potential again, based off a 4-week schedule. So, 1 customer, that's $2,000 per month, right? 5 customers, $10,000 per month. 25, $50,000 per month. Okay, this is what you can do with this program. Now let's talk about this financial freedom journey. So you're probably watching this and hey, you're probably like, I'm gonna get some more information. I know she's new and she just hopped on here, but I'm gonna get some more information. Let's say, you hop on the phone with me or my husband and you get this information, you decide, hey, I'm gonna get started. Well, guess what? You can earn $3,075 in your first 30 days. And how are you gonna do that? Well, number one, let's go back. Number one, you're super, super ambitious, and we love those type of individuals because we're ambitious ourselves. So you're going to get 5 customers, right? That's $375 in commissions plus a $500 new affiliate bonus, all right? So you go out here and you end up reaching out. You really love this thing, and you go out here and you reach out to people, and you end up getting 10 people just like you that want to come in here, get their credit where it needs to be, and also help other people, right? So now you have 10 affiliates on your team. That is $1,700 in commissions plus $500 new affiliate bonus. Now you have to do this in 30 days, okay? If you accomplish that in 30 days, that is an additional $3,075. And I totally believe you can do it, especially if you come in here and get passionate about this. And it's so easy to do right now. Now, let's talk about the power of 3, the income potential here. You know, you get 3, they refer free. Just look at these numbers, y'all. This is what, you know, basically your freedom number, right? So let's say, I don't know, let's just use one example, like your rent. Let's say your rent is $500. We know it's nowhere near that now, right? So $500 is your rent, and you just need a way. You just want to do this thing just so it can pay your rent, okay? So you can start using that extra $270 to take that and pour into credit services so that you can become a homeowner, right? So you need something to pay your rent. You need that extra money. So look at this. You bring in 3 people and you hit that fast start bonus, right? So you got $720 in income, you know, and the $50 residual, because now basically kind of like your business is free. It's going to pay for itself, right? But that is a $770 income potential. So you just took care of your rent basically. So 3 is your freedom number almost, right? If that makes sense. I can't go into it now because like I said, I'm just trying to get you this information, get out of here. But again, reach out to us. We can explain it. But think about something. What do you want this to take care of for now? And then really get aggressive with things and look how these numbers go up. Okay? We have leaders in the company doing this thing, okay? Coming off jobs. I haven't worked since 2014. This thing is real. So to wrap up, you guys, again, we have 3 different ways to get started. Not really going to go into all the ethics of this. We have 3 ways to get started. Number 1, if you just want to come in here and, you know, start this thing and save up the money for you, go ahead and upgrade and get your services started for your credit, then so be it. Because the affiliate program, you come in here, you get the affiliate program, you're going to get member discounts, financial education, Novae DIY. Remember, that's the do-it-yourself package. But hey, maybe you just, you know, only have 100 to get started, but you want to get started. This is a package you want to go with, but you eventually, if you don't want to do it yourself, upgrade to the next package. That next package is going to be the affiliate program plus. Now, this one is $279 to get started and $50 a month. What makes this one different? You get everything that's in the Novae Money Basic, but you're also going to get the done for you credit, okay? You're still going to get the website. You're going to get this thing called the Novae Interactive Presentation Tool. We call it the NIP. I love it. And also you're going to get online training and marketing tools just like you would with the $99 program, okay? The only difference with these two are if you're on the $99 program, you only get paid up to $85 per customer, but up to $30 per affiliate. But if you're on this middle package, you're going to get paid up to $200 for affiliate. Now, this next one is what I like to call the legacy package. This means if you're going to go all in with this thing, all right? All in with this thing. And no worries, you can always upgrade. I know this is a new thing. Now, it's $4.99 to get started and $99 a month. You're going to get that Entrepreneur Success Kit, major key. So much value in that thing. You're going to get the Novae Money Premium services, also the Financial Wellness Program, business credit, training videos, and so much more, okay? But you're going to get paid to offer basically everything that Novae has to offer, okay? So with that being said, y'all, again, you were going to do this every Friday in your midday hour. I'm here today, and again, I'm Allie. Next week, you're going to be introduced to Jerry, and we just look forward to bringing you more content. We look forward to, you know, just pouring into you guys and, you know, welcoming you to the financial future you deserve. So welcome to Novae, you guys, and we will see you next Friday. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.